Does the pivot points trading strategy even work? Are the trading gurus bluffing about their trading results and sharing fake information? I have spent years trading the strategies out there before I found the right way to trade. I've created this channel to reveal the real performance of every strategy objectively with code. So you don't have to waste your precious time and hard-earned money like I did. In this video, I will backtest strategies systematically from 2015 to 2020, across 18 major currency pairs and the most active US stocks traded in 2020. We're the only channel that is testing strategies at scale, on different assets, multiple time frames, in recent years to keep the results relevant and being fully transparent with their performance. This is Trader HC. I'm here to help you with your trading career and develop your own trading strategies. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to support the channel. After finished watching the video, you will know what to expect from this trading strategy and have everything you need to implement the strategy we covered today. Testing systematically requires skills and statistics. Know how to implement the testing properly without bias. Some YouTubers may manually test a trading strategy 100 times, but that is inadequate as we don't know what assets did they trade, in which year they conducted their testing, most likely to involve loads of bias that makes the testing results unreliable. As you'll see, these can have a huge impact on the actual performance of any strategy, and without clear guidance, the information can be misleading and setting false expectations for traders. Only testing strategies objectively can produce meaningful and accurate results. As in this video can prove if you should risk your hard-earned money using this strategy. If you have any questions, or suggestions on topics you want me to cover in the coming videos, leave a comment below. For those who are new to trading, a pivot point is a technical analysis indicator, or calculations, used to determine the overall trend of the market over different time frames. The pivot point itself is simply the average of the high, low and closing prices from the previous trading day. On the subsequent day, trading above the pivot point is thought to indicate ongoing bullish sentiment, while trading below the pivot point indicates bearish sentiment. But here are some problems trading with pivot points. Traders could be confused on how to read pivot points accurately for more reliable trading results. What is the trading strategy for pivot points, and how to trade it profitably? To trade this strategy with success, we first need to perform some calculations for the pivot points. We will add the high, low, and close of previous price data, and divide them by 3. This is the pivot points average. Then we will need to get the range by adding the high and low from the previous trading day and divide it by 2 to get the daily pivot range. Minus the daily pivot range from pivot points average, and we will get the pivot differentials. Pivot differentials act as a buffer to the daily pivot range. We add the pivot differentials on the daily pivot range to get the upper limit, and minus the pivot differentials on the daily pivot range to get the lower limit. After getting the values required to read the pivot points correctly, the trading strategy is pretty straightforward. We will buy when the price closes above the upper limit of the daily pivot range, and we will sell when the price closes below the lower limit of the range. We will use a dynamic exit of trailing 1.5 ATR. Meaning we are going to close our trade if the price goes against us more than 1.5 ATR, regardless we are in profit or loss. Unfortunately, there are many trading YouTubers will show a hand-picked setup to earn the trust of the viewer to sell them a paid course. They won't show you what is the actual return, drawdown, and win rate of the strategy so you can manage your expectation and not blow up your account. I won't waste time on showing hand-picked trades, as it won't help anyone to trade successfully. Let's go on to test it on all major currency pairs and the most actively traded US stocks right now. Trading is a probability game. If you are not backtesting the strategy properly to gain a statistical edge, you'll have a tough time becoming profitable in trading. And that's why I'm here. The reason why I created this channel is to show you the real performance of any trading strategy without bias, so that you can have an edge over the market. By knowing the past performance of a trading strategy, you can have a realistic expectation on the return, maximum losses, and the number of trades you'll get in any given period of time. You'll know which assets and time frame to trade in order to be profitable when trading a specific strategy. In the next few minutes, I will show you how profitable the strategy really is on the 18 major currency pairs and 52 most actively traded US stocks right now, their performance between 2015 to 2020, what is their success percentage and what is the maximum losses during this period. Before recording this video, I've already tested this strategy and noticed it is most profitable when trading the H4 timeframe, therefore we will be trading on the 4-hour chart. We start with a capital of $1 million for the convenience of reading the metrics, but the performance applies the same and scale with any account size. To be realistic, I also set commissions to 0.8% per trade to capture the cost of trading. Only strategies that are profitable after commissions are truly profitable. Change the time frame to H4 chart and we are ready to go. I'll quickly skim through the unprofitable assets and focus on the assets that are profitable with a pivot point strategy to save your time. Watch the video carefully as it can help you to understand how this strategy works in different market conditions, assets, and time frames, which will have a significant impact on your returns. Watch till the end to see the performance of the pivot point strategy for every asset in our sample. I can see the strategy performs much better on stocks than currency pairs. This may imply previous day price levels are more important for stocks traders, which makes sense because the stock exchange has opening hours while the forex market is operating 24/7. In our testing, we can see that the pivot point strategy generates a lot of signals for trading opportunities. However, the success rate of the strategy is only around 30%. This is due to more signals created, including both accurate and false signals generated by the strategy. With that being said, the pivot point strategy is still a profitable strategy when traded on the right assets because traders can accumulate profits quickly with a high number of closed trades and a positive profit factor. Savvy traders should consider extending the backtesting and optimize the parameters before trading the strategy on a real account. In future videos, I will be sharing how to perform backtesting and optimization properly to minimize the issue of curve fitting, improve the robustness of their trading strategies, which will greatly increase the success rate of their trading strategies. If you find this video useful, subscribe to this channel to see more videos, and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video.